interviewquestions.com. Today we'll see an important interview question. What are instance variables? Mostly this interview question is asked for freshers and 0 to 1 or 2 years of experience. That's it. What are instance variables? What access specifiers we can use instance variables, and how instance variables get initialized, and what all access specifiers and modifiers we can use for instance variables, and how to initialize instance variables we'll see in this session. So first, what are instance variables? The variables which are defined inside a class. Variables defined inside a class but not inside a method or block. Variables defined inside a class but not inside a method or block are defined as instance variables. Next, how instance variables get initialized? Whenever we instantiate an object, instance variables get initialized. Whenever we instantiate an object, instance variables get initialized with default values. For example, default values means for integer it gets initialized with their default values. We need not explicitly initialize the values for instance variables. And third one is where instance variables get stored. Instance variables are stored in heap memory. Instance variables are stored in heap memory. Let's see with help of an example what all access specifiers and modifiers are used for an instance variables and how to create instance variable. Now I am creating a class called student. And now I am creating private integer roll number, private string student name. So here the roll number and the student name are instance variables, since these are defined inside a class but not inside any method. So now what I am doing, I am writing a constructor with integer roll number and string sname. So now I am assigning this roll number with the roll number argument and with student name with sname. And here is the class, student class, and here are the instance variables, and this is the constructor. And now just to test this, I am writing a main method. What all initial values will I get for this integer roll number and student name? So first I am instantiating student object. Student object equal to new student. And how we are initializing? Whenever we are instantiating, we are giving the values 10, comma, Sandeep. And now the values were 10, comma, Sandeep. initialize the instance variables, and let's see what all access specifiers we can use for an instance variables. As we have seen, the first one is private. Private is allowed. We can give public. Yes, we can give public. Can we give protected? Yes, we can give protected. We can give without any specifier, that is default. So we can use four access specifiers: public, private, protected, and default. And let's check, can we make an variable instance variable as abstract? No, we can't make an instance variable as abstract. We'll get an illegal modifier. Only public, static, final, transient, and volatile are permitted. And let's check, can we make an variable instance variable static? Yes, we can make an instance variable static. But if we make an instance variable static, it acts like a static variable but not like an instance variable. And check, we can make a variable instance variable as native. No, we cannot make an instance variable as native. And let's check, can we make it as synchronized? No, we cannot make an instance variable as synchronized. So we'll write these points, what all variables. And one more point I forgot to mention in this, instance variables belongs to an object. Instance variable belong to an object. So next, what all keywords or access specifiers we can use for instance variables? We can use public, private, protected, default, final, and what we cannot make it as, what we cannot make it as, what specifiers we cannot use. We cannot use following specifiers or following keywords for instance variables. One is synchronized and the other is native, abstract. And this is all about the instance variables. Hope you understand this video, and thanks for watching this video.